In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a custom font to your Wix website. If you want your website to feel more unique and better aligned with your brand, adding a custom font is a simple way to make your text stand out. Wix makes this process quite straightforward, and in this guide, I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what to look for so you can upload your font quickly and without confusion. To begin, go to your Wix website dashboard and open the site editor by selecting Edit Site. Once you're inside the editor, head to any text element already on your page and click on it. This is important because the font settings appear when a text box is selected. So, if you don't see the options right away, make sure the text element is active. After selecting the text, look toward the top of the editor for the font option. Click on the text font area and this will open the font selection menu. Here you'll see the fonts that are already available in your site, but what we're looking for is the option to add your own. Scroll to the bottom of that font menu and you should see the Upload Fonts button. Go ahead and click it. At this point, Wix will open the upload window for custom fonts. You can either click the Upload Fonts area to browse your computer and select the font file manually, or if you already have the file ready, you can simply click and drag it directly into the upload area. Both methods do the same thing, so just use whichever feels easier for you. Once the file is uploaded, that's it. Your custom font will now be available inside your Wix font options, and you can start applying it to your text elements on the site. If you don't see it immediately, give it a moment and make sure the upload completed properly. A quick tip before you finish. It's always a good idea to preview how the font looks on different text sizes and sections of your site. A font may look great in a heading, but be harder to read in smaller body text. So take a moment to check that everything still feels clear and professional. That's the full process for uploading a custom font to your Wix website. Once you've done it once, it becomes very easy to repeat whenever you want to add new typography to your site.